All right, guys, welcome back to the live stream. And the markets are down yet again. The stocks are falling. Everybody's messaging me, telling me that their accounts are going into the negative. Some people are down 11%, 10%. And basically, this is the market that we're in right now. All right. In today's live stream, we're going to be going over market news. On top of that, I believe the GME earnings call is happening. And I kind of want to listen in onto that. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. But basically, this is going to be a quick update. How many people are in here, man? Man, we got the Elliott families in here. We got Elon. We got Have Oak. I can't come up with any names for the squad. They're all subpar. I want to, though, one out there. But then I'm definitely... if you guys missed last week's live stream, yesterday's live stream, what am I talking about? We're trying to name the audience. If you guys can find any good names, definitely drop them in the chat, and we can all try to figure something out. All right, so this is my Webull account. All right, I want to update you guys as well with what's happening with my BlockFi account. Webull account is down. I think this is 13%. $3,000 in total. This didn't happen just today. All right, this has been one of my worst performing stocks ever, X1. Also, if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram. Man, what am I doing? This is going to be my new Instagram handle until I get my other one in check. So if you guys haven't already, just follow me on Instagram here. This is where I'm going to be posting all the relevant updates and news. This is my last one. Bruce Wayne account still not available. Don't know what happened. Say goodbye to like that 12,000, 11,000 subscribers, followers. All right, so this is the Robinhood portfolio. Let's see, man. Let's update with the markets, and then we're going to be jumping into GME. So everybody was complaining today. Mine was only down 1%, less than 2% on the Robinhood portfolio. So I'm not really sure where all of this is coming from. It seems like if you guys are down, let us know in the chat if you're down and by how much. So in today's markets, all I did was, I don't think I did any moves today. My biggest stock that's crashing today is basically Gap. So I had some covered calls on Gap, which I'm making a lot of money back on Gap. But on the other hand, I'm losing a lot of value in the Gap stock in itself. Is down about 7%. Gap was way overextended. Gap should not be worth roughly, $32, $33. So I know a lot of people out there was mentioning if they should be buying Gap within the last month. And I don't believe buying Gap over $20 was a good idea. But that's just where I stand right now. Gap to me is still roughly, in that $21 range is going to be the fair value mark. When it comes to other companies, I know some people were mentioning about Peloton. Peloton is making a comeback today, baby. Let's go. Peloton sitting at 113, basically down 1% on it, which is all right to me. I went pretty heavy into Alibaba, Tesla, and Peloton was the third heaviest stock that I went into over the last 2 weeks. And guys, I am almost finished paying back all my margin. If you guys didn't know, I was like 20,000+ into margin over the last few weeks, and I'm back to 18,000. Back to 18,000, baby. Let's go. Drop a like if you guys haven't already. We have 100 and how many people we're having? Almost 200 people in here. Yesterday we had Trades. He made an appearance. Appreciate that guy. What's up, man? Tyler Ball, he was down 6K on AMC and now only have 20K to my name. We can take a look at AMC really quickly. I personally, when I got out of AMC, I thought everybody else would be getting out of AMC, but I apparently not. AMC, all right? AMC sitting at $10.70. I think I got out roughly around $12 something. Let us see if we can get into, how about this? Guys, if you need to sign up for Webull, sign up for Webull. You can get 2 free stocks. On top of that, I want to update you guys with my other account that I just started. And I'm investing heavily into this. And I'll give you guys my, I'm heavily invested into BlockFi right now. And I have a link in the description. I have a link in the description and in the highlighted pinned to the comments if you guys are wondering about that as well. I basically put 1 Bitcoin into BlockFi. 1 Bitcoin into BlockFi. When I say 1 Bitcoin, we know how much 1 Bitcoin is worth, right? So this is my new BlockFi account. I just started opening this up and funding it over the last week. And now I have almost $60,000 in here. I don't know if this is going to be a great investment. In my opinion, if you guys are trying to get into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in general, you have to know that you could almost lose about half of your money at any second of the day. All right, any second of the day. So my thoughts here is because I had my Bitcoin in my Trezor wallet off of like cold storage, not using it, not doing anything with it, it wasn't generating me any income. So I'm putting it on BlockFi now. BlockFi is a pretty reputable company. It's been around since 2017. I talked a lot about them in a few of my live streams. But now I'm going all in on BlockFi. I got 1 Bitcoin in here. I might put a little bit more, but I'm just going to test this out for a month. And in the last day, I'm going to be making roughly, $10 a day off of this investment. So now I've basically turned my cryptocurrency. I'm earning interest off of my cryptocurrency, similarly to how I'm getting dividends from my, dividend stock portfolio. That's how I'm seeing it. All right. So with my, let's say $58,000 invested, right, I'm going to see about a 6.6% return. So I could roughly see $3,480 worth of interest earned in a year. All right, 3,480 divided by 12 is divided by 12, bro. Is going to be roughly $290. So, that's about $10 a day, give or take $1 or so. And this is, in my opinion, if you're into cryptocurrency, you're going to be into high risk stuff already. If you don't want to lose all your money, don't put it into BlockFi. I would just hold on to your Bitcoins in your private wallets. That's going to be my thing. That's what I would do. But because I have more Bitcoin, but I think this would be worth it. Just putting 1 Bitcoin in here. All right. See my transaction. I put this in yesterday. I put 1 Bitcoin here. I was testing it out earlier the last few days as well. So I'm going to be updating you guys regularly with this one. This one is going to be my newest money maker. All right. So with this, with my BlockFi account and with my dividend portfolio, I could almost earn up to $1,000 in, passive income. And I'm going to be, doing updates regularly with that just in case I put more money or I take my money out. So stick around, subscribe if you guys are interested in stuff like that, earning passive income, earning money from dividend stocks, earning money from cryptocurrency. That's what I want to talk about in my videos. But let us see. Let us take a look at Robinhood. I mean, I want to see if we can get in on this earning call. I think I don't know if they're doing it at 4 o'clock or if they're doing it on another time. But here is what GameStop is looking like. All right, GameStop is roughly $179. So not doing too good today, guys. It's down 7%. Very similar to how the entire market's been performing. I'm going to scroll down here. Let's see if we can get in on this earning call. I'm going to sign up here and jump right into this. If anybody knows anybody from Instagram, bro, hit me up, man. I need that. I really want that account back. I spent so much time doing it. All right, so wow, look at this. The event you are attempting to view has reached its maximum capacity. Please try again later. Get out of here, dude. This is how much people want to know about GameStop. I mean, maybe somebody is giving us like a breakdown. What's happening to my Instagram? I have no idea, man. No idea. Robinhood just filed for IPO. We knew that was coming. We knew that was coming. All right, so I'm just going to jump into the chat. We got 300 people in here. I'm trying to get into the GameStop earning call. Find a stream. Ah, good idea. So we're going to go onto YouTube. And I'm going to put GameStop earnings. And hopefully my video doesn't pop up. This was 3 months ago. I want today's, dude. I mean, maybe we can jump into Andrew Mo Money's.
Today, so there is
Bruh,
clearly.
Where is the earnings call? We're rating Andrew Mo Money live stream right now.
We have. Oh, sweet.
Andrew, where's the earning call, man?
Okay.
All right. I don't think he has it on either. I can't find it. If you guys have a link, just drop it into the chat. All right. So let's read some comments here. We got a lot of people coming in. Sort by most recent. Man. You know, I just don't think. Let's do update in the last hour. Live? Is there live? Who is this? Sarah? GameStop earnings Q4, Boomer, Mirror. It starts at 5 p.m., guys, so we're still way too early. We're way too early for this. All right, so let's jump back into the chat. I mean, you know, we're heavily, you know, interested in GameStop news, right? We still are a little bit. I'm completely out of GameStop. I didn't buy back in. I didn't do any of that. Right now, I'm going over your comments, and let's see what everybody has to say. We definitely got an hour to kill, man. I did not think we would be waiting this long, but I mean, I thought the markets are basically done at 4, but apparently not. All right, so let's take a look at some other companies. Man, everything is red on the watch list. S&P 500 is basically stagnant. Dow Jones didn't move at all today, but the NASDAQ is down 150 points, dude. 150 points, no wonder. Ooh, Alibaba. That's probably why my account's been doing so well today. Alibaba is the greenest one out there. And I still believe Alibaba's so undervalued. Alibaba's way undervalued. I still need to get roughly, let's see how many shares I'm in right now. I got 145. You know, ideally, a few years down the road, I want 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares of this will do me really good. Let's see how much 1,000 shares would be worth right now. 237,000. GME closed at 179. Continue dip. I think so, man. I don't think GME's I don't think you guys are gonna have a good time being invested in GME at this time. Going into, earnings, we don't know what's going to happen, but, my prediction for the earning call is basically, drop a like if you guys haven't already, man. I really appreciate it. My predictions for the earning call is that GME is going to see some crazy exposure. These last 3 months for GME has to be some of the best marketing for GME possible. Even though not a lot of it was positive, we have like all the adopting the gorillas. That was pretty positive. The Wall Street Bets community is now tied with GME and meme stocks. AMC is now tied with GME as well. But culturally, in America, GME is like a household name now, and globally as well. So with just that exposure, I think that could do GME good. On top of that, I think a lot of institutions and hedge funds, they're discounting GME because they think it's still a brick and mortar company, which is not, right? They're really transitioning into a e-commerce store. So even earlier today, I think they were making some big moves as well. What happened today? They fired another guy. I think the marketing strategist, the chief of marketing. Is that even a? Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says GameStop CCO resigns ahead of Q4 earnings report. Man, is that perfect timing or what? Shares traded lower by 2.2% after the company announces latest management shuffle ahead of the highly anticipated fourth quarter earnings report on Tuesday afternoon. What happened on Tuesday morning? GameStop announced Chief Customer Officer. What role is that? CCO. Frank Hamlin will be leaving the company. Why is it important? GameStop brick and mortar video game retail business has been in a decline for years, with trailing 12-month revenues down 21% in the 5 years ending to 2019. The pandemic slammed GameStop and other retailers in 2020, and the company reported a 30% revenue drop in the third quarter. Despite the business headwinds, GameStop shares have rocketed in 2021. The company has become a poster child for Reddit's Wall Street Bets meme stock craze. We just talked about that. Serious long-term investors are hoping Chewy co-founder Ryan Cohen will join the GameStop board in January, will help the company transition away from the outdated retail strategy to more modern online approach. So a lot of people, including me, I believe GME will start to look more like Chewy. Chewy is Ryan Cohen's original baby. So this is Chewy, right? If we look at the market cap of Chewy is sitting roughly 35 billion. Some days, on a good day, not like today, the market cap could be roughly 40 billion. So I do believe GME will start to trend into this Chewy direction of pure e-commerce business. I'm seeing them do a lot of new stuff, man. They're firing the CCO. They just fired the CFO like a few weeks ago as well. Major changes to the company. And, let's say 12 months from now, 75% of all the retail stores will be closed down. Imagine how much more money they would save for not paying rent, for not paying employees, for not paying all that overhead cost that goes into brick and mortar. If anybody is interested in using Webull, I have a link that's pinned to this comment section, to this chat section, and you can get 2 free stocks. All right, so let's jump into the chat and see what everybody's saying here. Drop a like if you guys haven't already. We're going to be waiting for the earnings call. It's going to be starting at 5 o'clock. I'm not sure if we're going to play for the whole thing, but we will definitely try. Is March a wash for selling? For the last week, I honestly don't know what to do in the markets. Like, for the last whole week, I've been so clueless on what to do. When they look like dips are coming, I try to buy the dip, but then everything dips lower. When some companies are running up, you try to catch the end of that as well, and then it just turns around right after you buy it. So it's tough, man, really tough. So it's, in this last week, I've just been holding steady, holding my positions and not doing much, just watching the markets and, doing some cover calls, doing some sell puts. Webull, you just use Robinhood all the time. Webull's great, man. Webull's great. Robinhood is a transitioning into something else right now. All right, Michael's been asking this like 4 or 5 times now. Michael, Bruce, I'm down about 11%. Is this a crash? I think this is a slight correction. I don't believe this is a crash. A crash would be like 20% plus. March Madness. That's what some people are calling it, March Madness. Man, I just went to see a rehab specialist for my shoulder. Spent like $70 for the copay. I don't know if it's worth the investment. Amazon is definitely a company that, for me, I'm thinking Amazon and Amazon is a company, if you just buy and hold it for the next 10 years, I don't think you're going to lose that much money. I think you're mostly going to make money. Same thing with Facebook. I would be a bigger fan of Facebook if, they can get my Instagram account corrected. But, the stuff that they're pulling right now, it's some fake news. They're doing a lot of fake news. Facebook is sitting at 290, market cap of $1 billion. I'm pretty sure this is worth a lot more. All right. Some analysts are saying it's worth over 400. On the average is over 300. So in my opinion, this is very similar to Alibaba. It's just a little bit Alibaba's a little bit more undervalued than this company though. Guys, the stock market, stocks don't just only go up, all right? Most of the time when I'm making money in the stock market, you make money when you on the buy side. You don't make money on the sell side, all right? Same thing with real estate. You're going to be making most of your money when you buying the good deals. And there's just not that many good deals out there on the markets right now. You just have to wait for this to, settle down a little bit, right? There's a lot of these companies that are overvalued, like Tesla, for instance. Tesla's PE ratio is still, their PE ratio is still 1,000. Ford PE ratio is 160. I mean, don't panic. All right, don't panic. Garbage book. I think if you say the T word, I might get demonetized. So I rather not say the T word. Is Disney overvalued? We can jump into Disney. We talked a lot about Disney over the past, I would say, week. Disney, I would say, is roughly fair value, a little bit undervalued. If we take a look at everything that's coming out with Disney on the Marvel franchise, man, that Disney Plus subscription it's going to be a game changer for them, man. This is going to be a game changer for them. I'm letting this load up real quick. Oh, damn. My subscription just ended. My subscription for Disney Plus just ended. I had this Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN. So they're all in the same network. And damn, man, this they're making big bucks if they go this way. But $6.99, that's a pretty good deal. Markets, watch. Tomorrow, if it dips even more, I think that would be a buying opportunity tomorrow. So if this week, if it just continues to dip for the next 3 to 4 days, I would start to consider buying into this dip. If tomorrow it turns green, I would just continue to hold. I'll just be holding onto the position. Not much movements because it's just going to get choppy. It's just going to be really, really choppy. The new FTD rule applies to all stocks, not just GME. So the next few weeks will be very exciting for everyone. I mean, I'm not, I like what's going on with GME, but I'm not a fan. I'm not that big of a fan. I wonder if we can listen on into the earnings call from Weeble. That would be awesome. Can we get in here? Where can I find it? Let's do a quick search here. Investors relationships. So if you guys want to know more about certain companies, you would have to look up investor relations. All right. So this is a pro tip for anybody that is just getting in here. So let's say you want to look up information on GameStop. You put GameStop investor relations, or Amazon. You put Amazon investor relations. You just put it into Google, and you'll come up into this section where they're gonna listen to webcast. Yeah, I still can't get in, man. Yeah, you're gonna find all the information. Online investor kit. I wonder what this is. Is this for the last one? All right, yeah, this is for the last one, December 8th. All right, man, they're really trying to hold out. They're really holding out. All right, so I'll start taking in some stock market questions. Let's go. Let's take some stock market questions, guys. I got 3K in GME, and I'm going to lose it tomorrow. I would not, I probably agree with you, man. GME's going to the Earth's core, the complete opposite of the moon. Bruce, you know a lot. Where do you get all this information from? What do you read and watch daily? I don't think I know that much. If you start to just read financial news on a daily basis, but make sure it's something you're interested in, or you're just gonna lose. You're just gonna lose attention and just forget about it. I think YouTube's gonna be one of the greatest resources now. You can just watch my channel. You can watch some other channels. Most of the stocks that you guys are telling me to look at and buy, a lot of them are not good. I'm going to be honest with you. And I'm trying my best to be as nice as possible. Be as nice as possible without hurting anybody's feelings. But man, sometimes you got to drop the hammer on you guys. Like, let's say for Rocket. Rocket is a buy and hold for 10 years. Let it work for you. Rocket is actually not that bad. So, but earlier, people were telling me to buy Rocket. All right. People were telling me to get into Rocket when it was like at $40. And this is when I'm telling you guys, no, don't do that. When something shoots up, 20% in a day, you don't want to be anywhere near that unless you already bought in down here. Yes, I think Rocket, like I said previously, Rocket in this price range of like a $20 to $25, I think that's fair value for this company. Even the analysts are saying it's roughly fair value. The average value here, they're saying it's 25. So would you buy something that's fair valued, or would you rather buy something undervalued or overvalued? Like you honestly get to decide where you want to put your money. Oh man, we got some people who made a lot of money, made 80% in Rocket. Buying on the dips is going to be one of the best strategies possible, but make sure you're buying the dip on some legit companies. All right, GME's up 6% in after hours trading. So GME's sitting at 193 right now. I mean, my chart doesn't seem to be working. Even when I press extended hours. Oh, well. All right, how's everybody doing today, man? I know a lot of you guys are down today. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic sell. Don't panic buy. I don't think now is a panic buying type situation. All right, man. This guy thinks he knows it all. You are hyping GME, which is a piece of crap. To be honest, don't be offended, but your channel is just best on hype. Good luck. Thank you. Peru Invest is jumping in here just to start some drama. You know, Peru Invest. Here we go, baby. We got Peru Invest up in here, man. This channel doesn't have any content. We're showing you some love here in Peru Invest. Let's see what he's all about. Nope. I mean, I wonder how you got 355 subscribers with got no views either. I don't know, man. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, man. You can have your own opinion, dude. Peru Invest, man. What's up, man? Just talk to me, dude. Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? We're on I am special. Yes. I would say that you are very special, man. I mean, you got some attention here, so you can make your case. Right now, the whole chat is watching you. You can make your case. You know, I'm the one with the mic, all right? So it's going to be really difficult to you know, have you ever seen like stand-up comics get heckled? It's like you're not going to win. You're not going to win when you heckle the stand-up comedian. They're going to roast you. They will roast you. I'm not trying to roast you, but I mean, it's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Yeah. GME after hours is at 7%. We're not a hype stock channel. I mean, I don't think you can hype stock. I mean, you can hype dividend stocks, right? Let me get some eye drops in here. You're making me cry, dude. I mean, only 355 people know who you are, bro. I mean, you got the attention, dude. Peru's economy fell 30.2% last year. Don't invest in Peru. The amount of shills in your chat is unreal. Who is shilling? What are you guys shilling right now? All right, we're waiting for the earning calls to happen. It's 4:30. We got 500 people in here. Drop a like if you guys haven't. I know Peru Invest put that dislike. We have 7 dislikes. He probably disliked 7 times. He's trying to get his 15 minutes of fame. I mean, he got something. He got something. I mean, I think Peru Invest will be the new Alex Kang. You guys remember Alex Kang? Peru Invest might be a bot. Yeah, that's possible too. Let's see. Who is Peru? I mean, I don't know who this guy is either. Who is this guy? Peru self-esteem down 50%. I mean, yeah, that Alex Kang, man, he was something else. He was something else. I mean, I'm completely lost my train of thought. Let's get a quick plug, guys. If you guys are interested in follow me on Instagram, guys. This is my new Instagram account, Real Bruce Wang, and I really appreciate it because my old Instagram is page not found. Sorry, this page isn't available. Bruce Wang. Don't know what's going on there. And you know, yeah, my account's doing pretty good compared to people that are down 11%. Bitcoin price is down as well today. Who knows, man? What are people doing with their stimulus checks? That's what I'm assuming. People are starting to get it now. Maybe it was like a buy the news, sell the rumor type of deal. I mean, buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm saying it completely backwards. So Bitcoin sitting at 54,000. I mean, we all thought the same thing. We all thought that when the stimulus check comes out, everybody would just be spending it. Man, Peru, you're still in here, dude. I mean, dude, this guy is committed. Peru is committed. Yes, I am a bot who bought Neo at $1.50 last year, just saying, and I have more students in my private Discord channel. I don't need to sell myself like you on YouTube. All right, man. You got it. You got it. Show us. Get the fuck. I mean, what if you disliked somebody? If I disliked somebody, like, why would I go onto their live stream? And it doesn't make any sense. It's like, why are you here? It's like everybody wants to have a good time. Everybody here clicked on the title because, we want to learn about the stock market falling again. We wanted to see some stock market news. We wanted to see GME earnings call. All right, GME earning call is out. Let's see. Let's see if we can find a channel with it. Peru Invest is GME earnings. Let's do live. Market falling again, GME earnings call. GameStop earning call conference. This one looks like a legit channel. Dude, in the money? Let's try.
That's what I gotta do. There is an audio out. I could do this.
I can't find it, dude. I can't find it.
Fundamentals currently on earnings as much as the market sentiment. I think that really earnings beat would drive a high market sentiment for the bulls. So that's why it matters, I think, today. And obviously, even with the
that doesn't sound like all right, man. We're just gonna crash smash JT. It seems like he has the earning call. It does sound a little bit annoying. I'm just gonna mute that just so I don't get I'm just going to mute it really quickly. I'm just going to wait for it. All right, so we're going to wait for the earnings call here. It does not seem to be going on yet. Just this music. Man, it's awesome, man. I don't even have to I can just watch other people's live stream about this live stream. Hopefully that's not we're waiting for the earnings call. Get a GME chart up. I mean, this is the GME chart right here. You can see it on the bottom. GME's at 189. Man, I should be able to get the earnings call on Webull. I think this would be the best. Let me work some magic here. I'm looking for the earnings call on Webull right now. See if we can pull it up. Yeah, I don't think I can get it. What's up, Gabe? What's up, Jin? The earnings seems missed. Man, once I go quiet, this entire chat just falls apart. I got to find a way into this. We're working some stuff out here. A lot of technical difficulties. Seeking alpha. I will try that. So this is what they did last quarter. They missed by 84 million. Beat by 32 cents. Let's see if their estimates for this post-market earnings per share estimates 1.42, $1.40. Revenue estimates $2.2 billion. All right, so this is what they have to beat. I'm pretty sure they're going to beat this. I'm pretty sure. With all the marketing that has been done for them on YouTube, on social media, with everybody going into the stores. Dude, you remember people giving cash to the GameStop employees during the first squeeze? I remember that. Have I seen CCL? I don't really like the cruise ships market right now. I thought you didn't like AMC. Remember who they are. Vote this clown down. Matt Kors is way better. Check his stuff out for way better strength and info. Damn, that's a scary photo, dude. No, AMC's all right. Not a big fan. Hey, so PE ratio price is to earnings. How do you use it as an indicator? So, PE ratio is a metric that you can compare with other companies within the industry. That's just like one valuation tool. That's how I would use it. So GameStop, what's a very similar company to GameStop? I don't know who's the main competitor to GameStop right now. Would it be like Square Enix, Nintendo, some companies within the gaming industry, and then you just compare it that way. Achieved a 6.5% increase comparable stores sales during fourth quarter, with global e-commerce sales rising 170 fourth quarter of the fiscal year. Are people actually able to get this? Why am I not able to find it? The company has continued to actively pursue senior talent with e-commerce, retail, technology experience, and other transformation businesses and other long-term. In the near term, the company is continuing to position on the brick and mortar footprint and digital assets to capitalize on the emerging console and cycle and additional gaming opportunities. You know what I think might hurt GameStop a bit? The semiconductors shortage. Just be aware of that too. Drop a like, guys, if you guys haven't already. We will continue to, just hold out on this, and expected is 1.35. Actual is 1.34. Are you guys actually listening to the earnings call? It's not supposed to come out for another 15 minutes. Am I invested in any of the semiconductor companies? Intel would be my biggest one. All right, man. That's appreciate that, dude. Haven't been on Wall Street Bets for a minute. So we're going to look on Wall Street Bets. Mega Thread. Let's see if they got anything here. Best. This was 7 hours ago. Man, I'm chasing these things that are not existing. I mean, this is as close as I think I'm going to be able to get. So we just leave it here. GameStop is, in general, greedy company that did it to themselves. Oh, it's not Eastern time? All right, that makes sense. Dude, this is the GME mega thread, man. Here we go. Here we go. I mean, it already filled up, dude. You can take a look at the earnings report. GameStop reports fourth quarter and fiscal 2020 results. All right, let me zoom in here. we don't even have to go into the earnings call. We can just look at this. Comparable store sales increased 6.5%. Net sales 2.1 billion compared to, all right, man. Made more. Sales are up. 27% European stores operating days during the quarter as a result of temporary store closures in response to COVID-19. It's a lot of noise coming outside, guys. My bad. Getting distracted. Increased 175% and represents 34% net sales. Selling, general, and administrative expenses were 400 million, a decline of 92 million or 18% from 500. At least they're saving money in some ways. Income tax expenses was a benefit of 70 million due to the change in the tax structure status of certain foreign entities and the Compact of CARES Act, including tax benefit associated with ability to 5-year carryback period, certain current year tax losses, which compares to income tax expenses of 43 million in the fiscal year of 2019. Dude, I hate reading this, dude. All right, so let's see if this is affecting the, I'm going to put this here on the right. So you guys can keep an eye on the price. If you guys can't see that, that's 186. Man, this guy's playing around too much, dude. All right, let's get back into this, see if we can find anything. Is there like a too long, didn't read type thing? Delivered a 400 million or a 21% reduction in SG&A expenses in fiscal of 2020 compared to fiscal 2019, primarily driven by continued cost optimization. Dude, man, this is way too long. Investing in technology capabilities. All right, so this is what they're planning on doing, right? GameStop is focused on transforming into a customer-based technology company that delights gamers. The board and management are taking the following steps for this year: investing in tech capabilities, including buying in, sourcing talent, and revamping systems, and evaluating next-gen assets, building a superior customer experience. So this is, I would say, Ryan Cohen's major ability. When it comes to Chewy, they have one of the best customer services. We got a super chat. Love the channel, man. What exactly is 5 p.m. for GME? I'm thinking it was supposedly the earnings call, which we are not able to get on. I mean, I don't know why it's the event you're attempting to view has reached maximum capacity, and I was on like an hour early. So this is the best that we can do. Expanding product offerings, modernizing the U.S. fulfillment operations to improve speed and delivery and services. So they did this by hiring a guy from Amazon. So I think that was a smart strategy. They did this like maybe a month ago. Establishing a U.S.-based customer care operation and leveraging the company's digital assets, including Game Informer and PowerUp Rewards, to increase market share within the growing online gaming community. So when it comes to their like email list, this is basically their email list, right? Game Informer and PowerUp Rewards. And I believe they have like 50 million emails. So in the future, I'm still bullish on GME. Is it going to go to 100,000? Is Squeeze still on? I don't subscribe to any of that anymore. But I know still a lot of you guys do. If you guys are in GME for long term, I think you guys will be all right. If you're in it to, that gambling money, that hype mindset, I don't think you're going to come out on top with that. After hours price just sold. All right, so guys, here we go. Let's jump into. So after hours right now is sitting at 175. 175. Let me we have a lot of people in here. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can see that. And we can go over some more questions. GME going to the Earth core. I don't know if that's is that the new thing? I guess the moon mission is officially off. Doesn't really matter since the stock price is completely blown out from its real valuation. 100% agree with you on this. A lot of people have lost money on this yet again. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see the chart that well. Here was the initial squeeze, the first one. They got stopped by you know, the brokers because of the what was it? Capitalization. They didn't have enough money for the Sigma 5 event. I think that was the term that they kept using. It stopped GME from going to 500 all the way back down to $40. This is where I bought in yet again, 40, 50 bucks range. Here was the second squeeze. I sold off personally at around like 150, 170, all the way down to 100. I sold off again at 270. Man, it's not looking good. After hours, 175. It swang 7 points, 7%, 8%, all the way down to 4% now. It's not looking good. Earnings are not great. Earnings call just came out. We went over them. They missed big. If you look over my head, you'll be able to see the GME ticker symbol. After hour trading, we're down about 6% yet again. I mean, there's still people praying, spray and pray. That's one way to invest, right? Spray and pray. I know a lot of people are buying the dip here, and that's something that I cannot say. I would not do that on a dip for GME would be like 40, 50 bucks. A dip at 180. I mean, this is trending the wrong way right now. Some of the other channels have predicted this pattern so far and are still holding. There's a lot better opportunities out there in the market, right? Would you rather have, in 10 years from now, would you rather have one share of GME or one share of Amazon? We got Kings of SM10. TKAT is killing me. I'm at 1K at 70. I never heard of that stock. Let me take a quick look at it. I mean, this is what is this? TKAT, Takung Art. This is what you're investing in, dude. He got in at 70. Now it's 50 bucks. Man, this better not be like some X-rated. Offering the unique opportunity for investors to participate in the fine art market through shared ownership. This is what you're investing in, man. That's tough. I wouldn't invest in this. I don't know anything about art, but definitely I would pass on that. I would pass really hard on that. Bruce, why don't you have your whole crypto portfolio on BlockFi? I just can't. I've only been using BlockFi for about 2 weeks. I know a lot of you guys, I just updated my BlockFi account with a lot of you guys. I put 1 Bitcoin in there. If you guys are interested in BlockFi, definitely have a link pinned to the comment section. And definitely sign up. I would recommend you guys to sign up and start. Man, I was just holding on to this for no reason, making no money, just from appreciation only. Now I can make money from appreciation and earned interest. I can make $10 a day off of this. That's like 1 good meal. That's 1 good meal a day. And I don't know how long their interest earnings are going to last, but a 6% on this is pretty good. I know you can look at some of the other interest rates. Here are the other rates if you guys are interested. So I'm still in the tier 1, which is 6%. I'm not going to put any more than 2.5. I would just continue to keep this rate at 6, and maybe even try to do USD coin. If you did USD coin, you can get 8.6 on it. 8.6 is a lot. You're going to get better interest rate from this than having it just in a regular high yield savings account. So this is something I'm going to be testing out. I'm already heavily invested in it by this point. Andrew Mo Money has the earnings call if I'm interested. Definitely, man. We could link up. All right, my computer's starting to slow down here. Let's see. I feel like this is so distracting. I mean, I'm about to sign off anyways. So the earnings call is, about to happen. I mean, is happening. It's 5 p.m., but we already saw the reports. We already read it. Like, do you really want to hear what they have to say? They're going to say the same thing. How many shares of GME do I own? Currently, I own 0. 0 shares. I already sold out at a profit. Paper hands, made out of money. Oh, he was talking with Matt Kors at the time? Damn. I spoke to the GME help desk service advisor. She said, please hold. I think somebody in my Discord said the same thing. If you can go back 10 years and know the knowledge of the stock market now, from now or 10 years in the future, know the knowledge, come back today. I'd rather know it from today moving forward. You can't change already what happened in the past, man. Bruce, should we look into RTP has a 9? I'm fine. I'm not going to look into that. What is my Discord? Links are in the description if you guys want to join. Laughing my LMAO, you changed your tune on GME quick. I'm pretty realistic about my thoughts on GME. Ever since the beginning, I think I changed my tune roughly when the second squeeze was happening. That's exactly when I changed my tune. Once people started going really crazy, once people started saying GME was going to 100,000, then I was like, all right, man, people are way too invested in this. People are throwing their life savings in this, buying GME at $300, $350. And like, they're telling me, they're talking all this trash. I mean, you bought GME at $350. Like, I can't say anything. I can't say anything to you. Hey, Bruce, do you mind checking PSEC and the current news? I don't think anything's going on with PSEC, man. PSEC is just a very steady company paying dividends. Dividend yield 10%, almost 9.39%. Oh, looks like they had an earnings call too. Prospectus 8. I mean, this is gonna take me too much time to look into that. All right, guys, I'm going to be calling it. We went over the GME earnings call earlier. I mean, I can link that for you guys so you guys have something to take home and do some research on. Earnings call was not that good. It was not that good. So I'll see you guys later in tomorrow's live stream. I'll be doing a lot of other videos as well in between. So I'll see you guys. Take it easy. Bye.